How to use email notification in Google Sheets. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to use email notifications in Google Sheets. Now let's get right into the tutorial. You can change how often you receive email notifications for comments in Google Docs, drawings, sheets, or slides. In Google Docs and Sheets, you can also change notification settings for edits. You can choose whether to receive notification through email or on your browser. Now go ahead and open a file in Sheets. On the top toolbar, you will see the option for Tools. Tap on that and further tap on the Notification Settings option. You will now see the option for Edit Notifications. Tap on that. In the pop-up that appears, go ahead and under the Notify Me at Email Address option, select the best suited option for you. You can choose either any changes are made or a user submits a form. Next, under the Notify Me with tab, select either Email Daily Digest or Email Straight Away. Once you are done making the necessary changes, tap on the Save button, and this is how you can use email notification in Google Sheets. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.